Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the northern city of Leeuwarden. This is the way us Dutchies say Leeuwarden. Leeuwarden. So there is a very light emphasis on the first syllable. Leeuwarden. Leeuwarden. All the letters will be pronounced, but as with many Dutch words, pronunciation of the last letter, the N, is not needed. Leeuwarden. I am taking the train to Leeuwarden. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!